Hello gardening friends, welcome to Backyard Basics. I'm John Dromgoole. Aren't those wildflowers in the spring gorgeous? Gosh, that's what Texas is all about, spring and wildflowers. There are many different other blends though these days, some for bees, some for butterflies, some for feeding the deer. There's all kinds of blends these days. And getting them out there is a matter of taking the bag and walking around and just not doing a very good job, or getting them out there where they really belong, and that's what we're going to talk about today, and that is seed balls. Now here's a kind of a clay right now that dries out very quickly. These were done last night, and it looked like this when we started out. So the way to do this, and you can do it with paper also, but I'll do the clay first right here. You get a little bit like that. You will pour your seeds into this mix right here. And then, of course, it's always good to have a little bit of compost. So you take that compost of yours, or if you buy some, sometimes it's just kind of woody. But that's not going to work in a seed ball. So I'll put some in here, and we'll shake it out. We'll get the good stuff out of it. Oh yeah, there's a bunch right there. Okay. So this is the consistency of the compost that should go into the seed ball. So you're going to blend this with the clay and the seeds all together, and you're going to come up with some of these, or you can put them in these little trays and come up with these. It doesn't make any difference. They dissolve easily when you use this type of a clay. So we take a piece of clay like this, just a palmful, just like that, and then what we'll do is we'll add a little bit of compost. It helps the seeds to grow. There we go, nice little compost. And then we put our wildflower seeds right in the middle of that. And then we will roll it up into a nice little ball, just like that right there. And then it'll dry in 24 hours, and you'll have something to put out into the landscape at your place right there. But you can use it with paper also. You can take some shredded paper and put it in water, let it soak for 3 hours or so, let it get really nice and soft. Now you've got some paper that you would put into a blender and blend it up really nice. And now you've got something to work with in order to make these kinds of balls right here. They're identical to the other ones. They're just recycling paper, but they've got a little bit of compost. They've got the seeds in there, and now you've got something that you can really broadcast off into the distance. Oh, perfect. I like that one. And so you can go around your yard, do it that way. You can go down the highway and throw it out the window on the highway also and get some more color out there. We're losing a lot of our wildflowers. So I encourage you to try it. I'm John Dromgoole, and this has been Backyard Basics.